Imagine your car is a superhero, and the power steering pump is its super muscles. Just like muscles enable a superhero to lift and move heavy objects effortlessly, the power steering pump allows your car to steer its wheels smoothly and with little effort on your part. Before diving into the symptoms and signs of a faulty pump, it's good to understand how the pump works for a clearer picture. Tremendous power. Simply put, the pump converts the car engine's power into immense hydraulic pressure, smooth movement. This pressure then flows through hoses to hydraulic cylinders, which in turn move the wheels easily and precisely. Easy control. Thanks to this power and smoothness, you can steer your car with just one finger, even in tough situations like parking or maneuvering in traffic. Even your superhero car can feel tired sometimes, and so can its super muscles, the power steering pump, get exhausted from constant work. Just as our muscles get tired from lifting heavy objects, your car's muscles get tired from helping you steer effortlessly. But how do your car's muscles cry out for rest? Here are some signs. 1. Morning squeal. If you hear a squeal when starting your car, it's your car's muscles saying, "Good morning, I need some oil." It might also be a tired accessory belt, but check the pump first. 2. Groaning during exercise. When you turn the steering wheel and hear groaning, it means your car's muscles aren't getting enough steering fluid. Fix this issue quickly to avoid a hefty repair bill. 3. Slow response. If you turn the steering wheel and the car doesn't respond immediately, it means your car's muscles are tired and need rest. This delay can be dangerous, especially at high speeds, so visit your mechanic ASAP. 4. Stiff resistance. Steering wheel feels hard to turn. It's another sign that your car's muscles need help, due to insufficient hydraulic fluid or a faulty pump. 5. Low fluid levels. Check the power steering fluid level, just as you check the water level in your plants. If the level is always low, there might be a leak. Look for spots on the ground under your car. 6. Gray fluid color. If the power steering fluid is gray, it means it has oxidized and isn't working properly. So keep your car's super muscles healthy. Check hydraulic fluid levels. Make sure the power steering fluid level is adequate and change it as per the owner's manual instructions. Listen to your car. Your car speaks to you and tells you its troubles. Pay attention to any unusual noises or difficulty in steering. Regular maintenance. Don't neglect regular maintenance, including inspecting the power steering system. It's crucial and often saves you from expensive repairs. Maintaining your car's power steering pump is crucial for smooth and safe driving. By following the tips we've shared, you can ensure your vehicle's super muscles stay strong and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Drive safe and keep those superpowers in check.